I have no idea where you are. Can you shoot up a flare?
Yeah. Oh.
Where are you now that I need
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Mags here with Emerson, and we are going to be testing out the new Expedition Antarctica update that has been out for a few days. They have a new route. They don't have a new advanced route. They have a new abandoned route. Oh, an orca just flew by. They have a new abandoned route. They have ice climbing, and they fixed avalanches, so they're actually way better now. So let's just get straight into it.
I hope I don't fall down enough.
What?
I don't know. I feel like I would fall down one.
Whoa! Do you hear the?
Oh yeah, like walking across the ladder.
Yeah, walking across the ladder is different. Ladders make the same sound effect as stepping on ladders. You're only Chad if you go through the middle.
Oh god, jeez. I could not see anything. What the heck? What is that sound?
It's the rope breaking. Go on. It won't break. This game is not that realistic. So I heard the new ice climbing was on where Advanced Route 2 is, so I won't be doing Advanced Route 2 this episode. I will be doing all of the other Advanced Routes, though, such as Advanced Route 1, which we're currently doing right now, and Advanced Route 3, which is, in my opinion, the best of the 3 advanced routes. Because it's the most fun one. You don't know that. You haven't even gotten to... You don't even have the second advanced route yet.
I literally watched you do it.
Yeah, but...
And I said that it was pretty cool.
I know, but, like, still, you never experienced it.
No,
I know that. Once you experience it, it's just, like, chef's kiss.
Are you trying to have me say that it's not cool?
No, never said that. Oh, Henry Stickmin 150 is in our game. That's cool. I'm gonna fall here. Nope, I'm just that guy. Alright, this is one of the annoying parts on the advanced route. It's just weird. It's weird because everyone always gets lost on this one. Like, I bet Emerson doesn't even know where to go right now.
Uh-huh.
I literally do not see you. Yeah, because you don't know where to go. Oh my god. Oh my god, she figured out. Okay, finally. Okay, what does stepping on rocks sound like? I'll see.
Smart. Very smart.
You know what it sounds like? It sounds like...
Do you know the shortcuts on this one?
No.
Oh, wait, you wanted me to show you the shortcut on this.
Oh, yeah, last time... Well, you could do that. Whatever.
Oh, fudge.
Haha. Imagine falling on the ropes last time. Oh! I just fell on the ropes and I died.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Alright. Alright. Only 25 coins? Oh my god, I'm about to die of thirst. That's cool. You kind of look at the map and you just leave.
No way I just did this part in one try.
Well, I taught you how to do it last time. No way, I just did this part in one try. Oh my god.
I said that because you know how much I struggle with it.
I'm debating on buying VIP since it's like very cheap now. Well, it's not very cheap, but like it's way cheaper. It's like 100 Robux off.
What do you get out of it?
You get cool outfits. That's it. Why are you going the safe route?
I've never done the safe route.
It's just an easier version of the abandoned route. It's boring. Okay, the abandoned route ladder should make a different noise. They should be like creaks. Oh my god.
The safe route is a little bit...
Easy? I know. Oh, look, it's the snowmobile guy. Time to eat my energy bar and drink my water because I bet you guys don't know this tip. Welcome to the snowboarding tent. In here, you can get water and an energy bar. Now do this every single time you're expeditioning. Emerson's gonna fail, don't worry. Let me customize my thing because you can do that now. Oh wait, I already customized it last time. I made mine like all purple and black because that's like the channel colors. Alright, this makes a really annoying noise. Wow, I'm so proud of you. Good job. But you skipped the backpack penguin.
I don't need it.
You don't need an... Oh, I accidentally ran over the backpack penguin. An extra energy bar is always good to have. You never know when your energy will just suddenly go down from hypothermia. Which I suggested that they should add into the game in their Discord server. And it got like 13 upvotes and 0 downvotes that it should be in the game. Because people are just going in an expedition without gear because they're like, oh my god, I don't need gear. This game is unrealistic. So they gotta make it more realistic and add hypothermia. Because I feel like...
Explanation that was.
I know, thank you. I don't know what to call myself. I'm just that guy.
Bro, that one is so easy. That, like...
Yeah, this is way short. This is way short.
Yeah, I'm literally already at the next
Alright, I would be going on Advanced Route 2 here normally, but I'm not going to. Because there's rock climbing here. And there's this, we gotta show them this board. It's moderate right now, but it's blinking. That means the next forecast. Oh yeah, there's a new abandoned route here. I forgot.
It's actually, it looks honestly a little hard.
Looks a little what?
A little hard.
Oh, this doesn't look that hard. Here, let me go first.
You go first? No, I'm ahead of you. Oh, well, I can't see when you're there.
See? Really easy.
Yeah, it's really not that bad.
Looks hard, really easy. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh my god, what?
I just fell off that ladder because I was so confused. How do we climb, like,
You just
slanted?
climb it like normal.
Yeah, I know, but how? The physics don't work. Like, what? Why?
We're at the ice climbing!
We are? Oh, I gotta actually climb this then. Oh, it's daytime. Let's go. I don't need to use this flashlight anymore that I paid Robux for. This is the funniest part of rock climbing. This is fun.
Alright, we're at the Avalanche.
Oh, I think it's gone by now. Nope, it's at lower sentinel range now. So we're good.
Yeah, I don't think it's there. But, so Sometimes if you're walking across it, it might just happen. But, like, if you see a crack...
Dang it, I didn't do the glitch.
Again, you don't
Branscombe
die.
Bridge. Oh, Ridge,
Guys, you
not
don't
Bridge.
die when you do it.
I know you don't die. This is really easy. Like, what was the point of adding this windy area into the game? You can literally just have to walk diagonally.
Cool thing is your, like, green shakes.
Yeah. Oh, wait, it's still windy up here? I can barely even feel it. Oh, look, it's pushing me up the mountain for me.
The music goes crazy.
Still windy? Nope. Screen's just shaking. I dare you to stand still for 5 seconds.
Why?
Cause, I don't know. You don't see other players' footsteps? It's kind of weird. Oh, I forgot to take my shortcut. Oh well. I mean, you get 50 coins for being up here anyway, so. All the avalanches are... Oh, wait, there's one at where we just were. There's an avalanche where we just were. You know, at that avalanche spot.
Yes.
Time to go on Advanced Route 3. Bye, Emerson. Enjoy the normal route.
I will.
No, you won't. Not when you see me ziplining. The first part is kind of hard, but not really hard, but it's worth it. I feel like everyone fails when they first go to their advanced route, to their new advanced route, because they're like, oh my god, it's so hard because you've never done it before. And once you just get used to doing the advanced routes, they just become so easy. Alright, I'm looking for you. Oh, I see you. I see you. Alright. This is a very good zipline ride. Ah! Oh my god, I thought I died. Okay, now we're gonna do one of the more fun parts.
The avalanche is at extreme.
At extreme. Good luck with that. It's a 95% chance.
Oh my god, I'm gonna go in an avalanche.
Good luck with that. If you survive an avalanche, you are literally God. Like, how do you survive falling rocks? I mean, besides moving, how do you survive it?
I'm just built different.
That's cap. You are not built different.
I am.
That is not true.
I am very built different. I'm unique. I'm smart. I'm amazing.
That is untrue, and untrue.
You don't think I'm smart?
No, not really. I mean, I wouldn't know. Ah! Emerson! We were supposed to meet up here. I just finished Advanced Route 3.
Well, I died because you forced me to look at you from the ladder.
I didn't force you to look at me. You
you were like,
look at me. Be quiet for 5 seconds.
I'm on the zip line and I'm Ryan, and then I died.
My voice does not sound that high pitched.
Okay.
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
You're in lower Sentinel range right now.
See.
You're in lower Sentinel range right now.
Spectate me so you can see.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's over now because you're slow. I didn't lose any health.
There's no way. Unrealistic.
Then look at me. I'm literally climbing up, and you can see all the dust that just pushed me down.
I'm taking such deadly shortcuts right now. Ah! I died!
To like tap buttons or something
Mhm.
to be able to climb instead of just walking up it.
Devs, if you're ever gonna watch this, which you're probably not, please make the game a tiny bit harder. Like, make ice climbing a little bit harder. Because it's really, you're basically just climbing a ladder, but you have to dodge ice.
You literally just walk. Once you're attached, you just walk.
Yeah.
And then
Don't change Advanced Route 3 at all. It's so much fun. Add a zipline into the normal game. Add hypothermia. These are all great suggestions. Make a penguin helmet so people can actually be penguins.
oh god.
Make a Nitro Booster exclusive outfit.
Oh, I'm at Advanced Route 3.
Oh, I'm doing Advanced Route 2 because I feel like it. If you guys add hypothermia, I will buy VIP. All right? Okay.
Are you gonna speed up this part?
What? No, because I'm doing Advanced Route 2. Also, I'm telling devs suggestions and bribing them to add hypothermia because I'm sick of people expeditioning with nothing on.
I'm at the part where I died and I didn't die.
Congratulations. Do you want a gold star?
Yes.
Okay. What the why are so many of my friends in the server besides you? I have 2 friends in the server. I have Sage and Trey. You guys have no idea who these people are. They're just friends. They haven't been in videos right now.
How do you even meet what the heck? How do you even meet all these people?
Because I'm just that guy.
Yeah, but like where do you even meet them?
Life finds a way.
I thought you just found them on Ultimate Football. Isn't that where you find them all?
No.
Oh.
I'm cutting that out of the video.
What?
Don't you just find all your friends from Ultimate Football?
Because I swear you do, and I still think that you do.
No, I don't. Oh shoot, I'm going the wrong way.
Did you see the new Bloxburg update?
No, I don't play Bloxburg that much.
I know, but like it's like really cool.
What is it?
It's like this summer theme. They like added stuff to the beach, and they made this like what the heck? And they made this like
They updated the beach?
yeah, and they
Oh
made
my
this,
god.
Like, the beach is really cool. There's like cabanas and there's changing rooms and showers.
Please say there's like playable beach games.
What do you mean?
Like playable beach games, like I don't know.
I didn't really look that
Like
much. I
cornhole.
don't think so.
There should be.
But there's this like secret plate. I'm at a rope right now, but I'm just gonna go do it. Oh, okay, I made it. Oh, it's done. I hate the rope sound. It's so annoying.
I love it. It adds a scare to the game. Lower Sentinel Range and Upper Sentinel Range keep getting avalanches. I think those are the only 2 places that you can get avalanches.
They are. You'll know when you're about to be in an avalanche because they put a warning on your screen.
Okay. I finished Advanced Route 2. What's worth it in here? Can you guys in the comments tell me what is worth it in the gamepad shop besides guide and search and rescue? Like maybe Pro Pack because you get like night vision, I think. Night vision goggles. luxury pack is not worth it. I know that. See the camp. I'm on that rock part where I died last time because I tried to take a shortcut. But you know what I'm gonna do anyways? Take shortcuts.
Come here, Al. Oh, come on. Come here. Yeah. Come on. Come here. Come here. Ella. Bro. I'm gonna have some chocolate while I'm waiting.
Oh, you won't be waiting long. I took a shortcut. I'm literally here.
What camp are we at?
Oh, I need a flare. We're at camp 3.
Oh my god.
Oh, the northern lights are here. That makes me smile because it's daytime and the northern lights are still here. Can you wait for me?
No.
Rude.
You'll literally get there before me.
Stop in the name of the law.
I did the dangerous one.
Me too.
Is this the last camp?
Camp 3 is the second to last.
I told you you'd get in front of it.
And we go the faster way.
Remember World Zero?
Oh my god.
Uh-oh, can you save me?
What?
Oh wait, no, I'm good. I missed a jump, that was all.
I pray. Oh my god, my life flashed before my eyes. Here. I feel like you're gonna fall here, so I'm gonna help you. Oh, you didn't fall. Okay.
Fell there. Have you?
Yeah, I've fallen there many times. Because I was being stupid and I didn't jump. Like, I missed my jump button.
I hate when I
there's
do
no
that.
pain
But I've got...
You get so much money from one expedition. How much money do you have?
13,000, 14,000.
I have 14,680.
Wow.
I'm so much better than you.
By 600.
Upper Sentinel Range is getting an avalanche.
I don't even believe you have that much.
I do.
Because literally, not like
You can check the video. You can check the video.
A few weeks ago, you had like $4,000.
Yeah, and then I
you were
spent
like,
it all on
yeah,
a
then
new
I had
outfit,
a-
and then I expeditioned
more.
like 20 times. Then in the last 2 weeks I've expeditioned 7 times. And then in the week before that I expeditioned like 3 or 4 times. So in the last 3 weeks I've expeditioned like 10, 11 times.
What the heck is that sound? on. Did you hear that?
Yeah, it was water, I think. I don't know.
Oh,
It's an avalanche.
can you get me?
How'd you fall?
I like tripped.
Where are you?
Literally at the part that you just went.
I have no idea where you are. Can you shoot up a flare?
Yeah. Oh,
I have 0 lives. Do I spawn at base camp? No, okay. I just can't die again. It's all good. It's all good.
Did you
It's all
just
good. We're good.
leave?
I'm right here.
You left the game.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Oh my god. My internet just went out.
No, it didn't. Are you kidding
Yeah,
me?
it did. I don't want to. I'm playing Pepper Pines.
Ew! You'd rather play Pembroke Pines in this game? Oh, we need an L in the chat for Emerson right now. Oh my god. Pembroke Pines.
Pembroke Pines is so fun, and you never give it a chance. It's literally so fun to drive.
So naive.
You should join me. And
No.
I want to see.
Ew.
I want to.
No.
I want to see how you drive.
No. Because everyone's gonna scream at me being like, you're driving in the wrong lane. I would love to make people mad just to do that.
Then do it. Join.
That would be funny. No. I'm expeditioning and then I'm doing the outro without you. Because you're too boring to finish this game.
What the heck? Yeah, back up. Back up, bud.
Well, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.